Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Inet app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Inet is a network scanner and diagnostic app designed to help users analyze Wi-Fi networks, connected devices, and local IP details directly from their smartphones. It offers features like Bonjour browser, port scanning, network device identification, and wake-on-LAN capabilities. With a clean interface and detailed scanning tools, Inet is aimed at both casual users and IT professionals who want to monitor and troubleshoot networks on the go. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is responsive, easy to navigate, and delivers fast scanning results. Users appreciate the detailed device breakdown, including vendor names and IP/MAC addresses. The real-time overview of network changes and alert features are especially useful in office or home setups. It's also very helpful for identifying unknown devices connected to your Wi-Fi. However, it's not without its downsides. Some advanced features are locked behind a paid version, and a few users have reported occasional crashes during deep scans. Also, while the app does a solid job identifying devices, it can sometimes miss details when scanning larger networks. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Inet is a reliable and powerful app for anyone who wants more control and visibility over their local networks. Whether you're tech-savvy or just curious about what's on your Wi-Fi, it's a great tool. Just be aware of the feature limitations in the free version. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.